rather strongly, isn't it, Harendra? Let me see if your colleague, your co-panelist agrees with it. 8,050 has been a support for the moment, hasn't it, Hemant? How would you deal for the day and for the contract?
See, morning, Lata. Lata, I still feel that 8,030, 8,050 should hold, because the maximum correction that we are seeing right now is still 7,950. There are two particular reasons behind it. First, obviously 8,000 put writers are still holding the fort, and I was just checking the data points. These out of this 50 lakh OI, which is total 46 lakhs OI, was added in the first 2 days of the contract itself. Okay. So really speaking, I don't expect 8,000 to be breached so easily. Yes, the trend still remains negative till Nifty doesn't manages to cross 8230 on the upside. So it is a sell on rise, but it's very important is which level to sell on. So what we have been advising people is that every rise you sell, don't sell if Nifty is closing towards the 8,080, 8,050 mark, because our first target is 8030, 8050, that's support zone, and maximum correction that we are seeing is 7950. And we are expecting a strong pullback from this 8,000 zones. So just slightly be careful, don't be overdue on the short side, and we try to go short only on the rises. When if Nifty there's a rise of 30-40 points, then it becomes a good sell. We should not sell at every levels.
Okay, fair enough. So that's 8,050 level could hold.
Hemant, also on that issue. Hemant, you have a sell on IndusInd Bank, but if you could expand the arguments first to Bank Nifty and then come to your individual sell.
See, Lata, actually speaking, Bank Nifty has seen the maximum shorts which have been accumulated in week on week. Last week, if you see the total accumulation, that is 49%, followed by ICICI Bank 32%. So I think these two, ICICI Bank actually holds the key for Bank Nifty. But why I am not going short today in ICICI Bank is because I really feel that stock is getting more and more into oversold zones. And Bank Nifty also is approaching that very critical 17,200. This is spot levels I am mentioning. 17,250. So another 250 points from here. There's a lot of important support levels that are coming up for Bank Nifty also. Now what I am starting to see is that now the stronger banks, relatively stronger banks, have started seeing some short creeping in. So Friday we saw IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank saw some selling pressure coming in, and IndusInd Bank also managed to breach 830 on the downside. So that is why we are recommending a short for a target of around 810, 815 and a stop loss of 850. So I don't know whether it is the last fall of Bank Nifty, because relatively whatever I have seen, that whenever the stronger banks start to fall, that is when people have started giving up their positions or started making shorts, thinking which stock is left to go down. So I have a feeling that Bank Nifty also, like Nifty, I am saying, will find support around 17,200, 300, and you will see a bounce back coming back, which has to be leaded back by ICICI Bank only.
Okay.